Thank you, Simon. Now, we were talking about music lessons in schools earlier in the programme. We are turning now to opera. Mention it to most of us, it'll perhaps conjure up thoughts of high society, classical composers and grand music halls.
Yeah, that's a picture that the Royal Opera House are trying to put in the past, though, and open up opera to everyone.
Well, how are they doing that? Well, they're bringing their skills and resources to classrooms in the Tees Valley in their biggest outreach scheme yet. Jenny Henry has more.
Walk on tiptoe, not a sound.
Echoing around the streets of Darlington, the Royal Opera House is in town. But today it's school teachers who are hitting the high notes.
It's a fantastic opportunity that I think I certainly didn't have when I was a child, and I think it's something that'll go to all different children, whether they think opera's for them or not. I think it's something that everyone can access.
Yes, it's breaking down the barriers because people have preconceptions about opera, and it's great for children to get a chance to see it's not quite what people think in many ways.
I think it's incredibly out of my comfort zone, but amazing, and I'm really thrilled to get started on it with the children.
This is the third of these sessions with more than 100 teachers from across Darlington, Stockton and Middlesbrough taking back what they've learnt to their more than 70 schools where the children there will put on mini operas of their own for the Royal Opera House themselves.
It's absolutely brilliant having the Royal Opera House up in Darlington and working with us in the North East. It's been really, really exciting, and I think that big name has helped promote this programme, and schools have jumped on this, so I'm really excited to see where it goes over the next year, and I think it'll have long-lasting effects, and hopefully some of the schools and maybe even their families might get along to watch some opera themselves.
Thousands of children across Teesside will master scenes from Mozart's Magic Flute, using their imaginations to sing, act and dance their way on a quest to find a lost princess.
We really hope to work with loads of teachers so that we can support children in primary schools understand what opera is, explore it for themselves, and then at the end of the year they'll all come together to sing with some of our opera singers as well.
It's all about breaking down the barriers, and it's making sure that they have access to these fabulous stories and these fabulous scores of music so that they can enjoy them as much as we are.
Hoping to lift the curtain on opera to children who might never have had the chance. Who knows, the next Domingo could be from Darlington. Jenny Henry, ITV News.